We have already discussed kernel-based keyloggers. However, these keyloggers are the most dangerous and sadly the most common form of keyloggers utilized by hackers. Thus, they warrant a slide of their own.
Remember, these keyloggers operate at the kernel level of the operating system, and they can receive data directly from that input device, which in this case is the keyboard, and it doesn't have to be filtered through or work in conjunction with other pieces of software running at the higher level. Now, if you remember your A+ days, then we have the operating system that owns and controls ring 0, which is the hardware level, and then the user operations run at ring 3. These keyloggers run at ring 0. It simply replaces the core software for interpreting keystrokes. You and I do not see any difference, but it captures those keystrokes and then transfers them to the hacker.
Yes. Now, these keyloggers are very hard to detect because they operate at ring 0. Our antivirus and anti-spyware programs are user-level applications running at ring 3, and most of them cannot detect a keylogger running at ring 0.
Now, a kernel-based keylogger is going to be installed in the kernel drivers, which are tied in with the operating system, giving control over the keyboard. So you can see that it's running at ring 0 within the operating system, and all other applications are running above that at the user level, which is ring 3.